So today I'm out here in Kirrawee. I'm at a child daycare and early learning centre. Now this is a typical type of thing that I come across quite a bit with NBN. Now the customer here, they've got ADSL working inside the business, and that's working on the one here you can see with the green scotch locks. Now that's on the red black pair. Now they've called me out today because they spoke to NBN. NBN sent them out the FTTC connection device and said, look, just plug it in and it should work. But they had ADSL working, and obviously they've only got the one cable going in, as you can see. So on the blue white there of the Cat 6, that goes into a socket inside the office. Now they've tried to plug in the FTTC device as NBN told them to, but nothing happened. So then they had to replug back in the ADSL modem and get that working again. Now NBN said they were going to send out a technician for them, but that never eventuated. So I've done some work here before for these people, and they rang me up and asked me to come and check out what was going on. So I thought they've only got a 2-pair leading cable. Okay, so that's this cable here, and that's coming out of this conduit here. There's just a single cable coming out of that. I'm not sure if you can see the top of it because it's a bit, there you go on, but there you can just see that one cable, right? There, okay. So that's coming down to here. Now I've had the second or the first pair, the blue white, which wasn't connected up to that. I've just twisted that together and just put like a socket on the end of that, and then just got that going down, and then plugged the power into it. Right, because I just want to get a test through the device. Now that's been on for about 10 minutes, and that's not syncing up. So this has not been done properly. So they obviously haven't connected it into the DPU in the street, because they haven't done it obviously on the blue-white pair, the red-black pair here on the main leading cable, because they've got ADSL on it, and the red-black pair has got nothing on it, as you can see. Now we get a little red light flashing. So yeah, this is a typical type of situation that I come across a bit. Not so much that it's not connected, but what they expect customers that are businesses, they say just plug it in. But you know, you'll find that that will very rarely work, because it's a business. They might have multiple numbers and multiple sockets, and they don't know where to plug things into. And that is just a problem. So they should have sent out this technician. He should have come and checked his work, but he didn't. So that's why I'm doing this report today, because this customer has no NBN and they're already paying for it. So Optus, this one's going back to you. You're going to have to send out a technician to come and actually connect the first pair into the DPU, because as you can see from here, this has probably been 10-15 minutes now, and we've got no sync on that service. All right, thank you.